I'm Laura, and today I'll be showing you how to download digital content onto your computer that you've purchased through Etsy. Downloadable content can be things like SVGs for your Cricut machine, but today I'm going to show you how to download some crochet patterns. The process is the same as long as it's a digital item. Your downloadable content will typically be sent to your email address, but for some reason, if you can't find it, or if you just want to download it straight from Etsy, I'm going to show you how to do that. First, you're going to want to go to Etsy.com. Then you're going to want to log into the account that you purchased the digital content on by hitting the sign in button up here in the top right corner. I'm already logged in on another tab, so I'm going to go ahead and pop over there. Once you're logged in, you're going to click on the little drop-down arrow right here next to your profile picture. It says your account whenever you hover over it. Click on the little arrow, and the first option is going to be purchases and reviews. You're going to want to click on that. It's going to bring up a new tab with all of the purchases that you've ever made on Etsy. For all of the purchases, you can do things like view the receipt, get help with the order. For physical items, you can even track your package. But today we're going to be looking at digital content, which here's some right here, and you're going to be clicking the Download Files button. In this case, I'm going to download a crochet pattern. I haven't downloaded this one yet, so I'll go ahead and do that. Once you click on it, you'll get a message from the seller if they have one. Then you'll click down here where it says Download. It starts downloading right away. Give it a couple seconds. Then you're going to check your download folder to make sure that it downloaded correctly. Yep, here it is. I'm going to double click it to check it out. And this is why we check things, because it looks like I'm having an issue with this downloadable content. I downloaded another pattern earlier that's right here, and I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like whenever it downloads correctly. See, I've got my downloadable content right here. So this one worked correctly, but this one didn't. So I'm going to have to reach out to the seller. Luckily, I can do that right here by hitting Contact Shop. But there you have it. That is how you download digital content off your Etsy account. I hope this helps. Follow me for more quick and easy tutorials. Bye.